Welcome back on behalf of GLS. We are going to cover types of charges in this session. First and foremost, that is what? Assignment. So, firstly, what is creation of charge and its types? So banks or financial institutions, in order to safeguard their interest, takes different types of securities. So banks cannot liquidate such securities unless the same are charged to banks or the institutions. So method of charging of such securities depends on the nature of security. So there are 7 types of charges by which securities can be charged. One is assignment, second is lien, third is set-off, fourth is hypothecation, next is pledge, then mortgage and appropriation. Let's analyze the key features. Now, when we talk about assignment, what is the nature? So nature of assignment of that is actionable claims to the banker. Which act is applicable here? The Transfer of Property Act. Now, application of act, that is section 3, which that is claim to any date other than by mortgage or by hypothecation or pledge or by any beneficial interest in movable property. That's as per section 3 of the Transfer of Property Act. Now, application of section 130. The transfer of actionable claim can be affected by execution of certain documents. Which are the parties here? Assigner and assignee. And what is the security book dates? What is the security here? That is book dates, life insurance policies, money due from the government, etc. etc. Method and process of assignment. Now let's look at the process. No particular form or words is necessary for effecting an assignment if the intention is very clear from the language used by the parties. An assignment may be a legal or an equitable assignment. A legal assignment is the absolute transfer of an actionable claim and must be in writing and signed by the assigner, that is one who gives this. An equitable assignment is an assignee serves a notice on the debtor and seeks confirmation of a balance assigned, and if the formality is not fulfilled, the assignment is called equitable assignment. So just to recollect, in case of legal assignment, the absolute transfer happens as an actionable claim, and of course it's based on the writings, terms and conditions. In case of equitable assignment, the assignee serves a notice to the debtor and the confirmation seeks the confirmation, and the formality is not fulfilled, then it is called equitable assignment. Under the provisions of Insurance Act, a life insurance policy is assignable by an endorsement on the back of the policy or by a separate deed of assignment, but notice of such an assignment must be given to the insurer, to the assignee or assigner. So the insurer has to give notice. One of the collateral for home loans or any type of loan could be this kind of assignment which an individual can use, just to give an example. Let's check what we learn. The assignment shall not be operative as against the insurance company until the notice in writing is given to the insurance company, and this notice may be given by the assignee or the assigner, the nominee, or either A or B above. The answer is D, that either A or B above, that is assigner or assignee, has to give a notice. Next question. The nature of charge created while advancing against LIC policy is what? Assignment, lien, pledge, set-off. The answer is A, that is it's kind of an assignment. Third question we'll look at. In the case of assignment of LIP as a security in advance, the assignment is not complete unless a notice of assignment is given to the insurance company. True or false? The answer is A, true. That means the notice has to be given. So that completes this session. In next session, we'll look at types of charge-based, that is hypothecation.